This is a final video to fix SL Infinity fan flickering and unresponsive behavior. And if your RGB lights flash, freeze, or stop responding for no clear reason, you are in the right place. Are your SL Infinity fans acting crazy right now even after a restart or fresh install? This problem happens because the fan controller loses sync with the software, power timing breaks during boot, or Windows blocks proper USB communication. Small glitches stack up and the fans start to flicker or ignore commands. Many videos on YouTube and posts on social media show long, risky steps, confusing BIOS changes, or full system resets that waste time and still fail. On Rexus, I keep things simple and safe, and today I share my secret easy trick that resets the fan brain without touching BIOS or reinstalling everything. This method works because it forces a clean handshake between hardware and software and clears the hidden conflict that causes flicker and freeze. You can do it fast even if you are not a tech expert. I tested this fix on multiple builds, and it brings the fans back to smooth lighting and full control. If this sounds like your problem, and you want a clear step-by-step tutorial, comment below and say step-by-step. Subscribe to Rexus for real fixes at work, and stop letting your SL Infinity fans ruin your build and your mood.